Hi, welcome to Brau Motors. My name is Rob Brau.
And I'm Angie Brau.
A little bit about ourselves. My dad started this company back in 1946, selling Kaiser and Fraser, two separate brands back then. And over the years, it's developed. We picked up Chevrolet, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, and Buick. And now today, here we stand with just Chevrolet. We'd like to tell you a little bit about ourselves and show you the dealership and what we're all about. We developed a heritage center after I passed away. My mother, she worked upstairs. We decided to create in the building next door something in memorabilia to them and our history here. Because we had a lot of stuff dating from 1946, if you can believe that we still had here as far as with parts list, signage, flags, brochures from way back when to the current of today.
People love it. We take customers over there. People come to the community stopping.
It's like a trip down memory lane. I mean, it was something that felt really special. And when the lights kick on at night and people come down Main Street, they get to see the old gas pump that we actually used that was in service back when I was a little kid. They get to see the vets on display, all the old signage, the old Pontiac, the old Oldsmobile, the old Buick signs. There's a lot of old machines that were used back that they don't even use today because cars have changed so much, but it's just really a trip down memory lane. It's something very unique.
One of the things that's very important to us is that we give back to the community. We just feel very blessed to be able to give back to a community that has given us so much. I think when people say it's worth the drive, the fast pace of maybe a larger metro, more intense energy, whether it's just simply traffic or anything, we hear all the time that people can just feel themselves relaxing us. They take, country roads.
The testimony that people drive over an hour just to get their oil changed because they feel like family. I've sold to people's kids and now their kids' kids, so it's a lot of, word of mouth for us. So some of the services we offer, it's really fleet body shop. We have a parts department, of course, a service department, and then our sales department up front here, just definitely unique in a small town. So we always were under the impression, if we can do it here and get it all done at once, makes it life a lot easier for the customer. And that's what it's all about, convenience. That's what makes working here kind of fun. So this is Leighton, my oldest son, who has now decided to come back and work with us at the dealership. He actually did start here since he was 5 when he could read his numbers and start putting parts away. So he's been through pretty much every part of the dealership, but I'll let him tell you about it.
Super glad to be coming back full time. This dealership's always been a big part of my life, and I can say that I've probably spent more time here sometimes than at my actual house. It started with me and my grandpa when I was younger, just taking naps upstairs after school, and now I'm back full time, jumping in all the departments. Glad to be back.
I was making sure we have the right people in the right place. Well, one thing unique too, everybody is willing to pitch in. I mean, nobody really wears a certain hat here. We wear many, and everybody enjoys working with each other, which is really nice.
We all kind of enjoy what we do, and we enjoy being with each other day after day.
The days go quick when you look up and it's 4 o'clock and you haven't had lunch yet.
No.
I hear many times where people went somewhere else and they lowballed to get the deal, and it was a terrible experience. That's not what we're here for. We're here to give you a great experience so you feel like you're part of our family, because you are.